Hello, I'm Lindsay Hogarth with Grace Engineered Products. Today we're going to demo the HMI HSM Hotspot Monitor demo. Right here we have our 9S model, our 18 model, we have our Modbus current sensor, the probes and how they're connected to the bolted connections, we have our controller and our HMI. On the back side is where all of our connections are. We have our Ethernet cable that will need to be plugged in on this side to the controller to be able to begin the process of demoing this product. The product is capable to have a relay output trigger upon an alarm. And what we've done is we've highlighted that output via a light indication on the front of the panel. So if any alarm was triggered and the relay was enabled, the relay will trigger an output. And you'll see that showcased right here. So the Ethernet cable will be provided in the demo. You'll take the Ethernet cable on the back side of the hub, and then you'll wire that to the controller on this side. So we're going to begin to showcase how the HMI will interface to the product. So when you power up the device, you'll see this screen, and first you want to hit Load Application. Our application that we have for our product is HSM Demo EN. So you'll hit Load, and then you'll go to Yes. And once the application is loaded, you will then run the application. And now you can begin to see what the home page of the device will look like. So we have a couple of different applications that we have for our 9S and our 18 model that we're demoing. We have a switchgear application, an MCC application, trends, user registers, and if you just select on one of these, it will just showcase the product. We'll select the 9S model. And right now it's displaying all of the temperatures in degrees C, and where you see the red, that is where an alarm state is happening. And you can also see that it's flashing red here. If you want to go home, it's a triangle on this side here that will take you back to the home page, and it will display the home page. So this gives you great access and great tools to showcase the HSM 9S and 18 model. Thank you for your time.